We love sharing good news, so when someone says something great about us and experiences our 5-star service, well, we have to share it. When someone is this happy, it usually leads to a repeat visit with us. And that's what motivates our staff and team to serve you better. We strive hard to achieve great reviews like this. It's inspiring, and anyone who reads 5-star reviews is wise because we stand behind our guarantee of 5-star service. So if you're seeking a company that's focused on great satisfaction and high-quality service, we're your choice. We're confident that you'll walk away very satisfied. Call us today at the number on your screen. We want to thank you for dropping in on us today. Our door is always open if you have any questions on how we can serve you.